Greetings everyone. Today I'm super happy to announce you a new feature we have released. We call it 3D tables. So besides of having columns and rows, you also have an additional layer which allows you to display very complex information in a very convenient and easy to read way. Technically this feature existed even before, but before the update we have released, there was no such preview available, unfortunately. And let me show you inside how it works. You have a condition. It's my custom template called Conditional Logic, and it has just one value. You can go inside and open it. It has two conditions inside, and here as a usual way to edit all the information you have. Another one is much more deep. It has 3 layers. If you go inside of the deepest one, you can change the numbers, anything you want, like this. And by the way, I'm going to show you a new feature we have released. So when you make any change, we will show which variable was changed specifically. Before that, we were just showing the green, the whole cell, displaying that something was changed. And now you can see what exactly was changed in each parameter. It's super convenient and easy to read. The best part of it that you don't need to set up anything additionally. You just need to make all your connections, template parameters the usual way, and it will be displayed like this by default. Another great feature we have released is that you can now customize the display format of your components. All these templates are components, and this is how I could shrink the information. So it's basically the same stuff, but much more compact. So I just removed those unnecessary fields and like removed some text with symbols, etc. For example, you can see that for end template I have removed condition. Let me show you how it was done. You open template and you can see here custom display format. This is a new feature available only for components. This is the default display format, and let me read it for you. If you write like this, template.display name in those brackets, it will show the display name of a template. So here it will be end standing instead of this code. Here comes just condition. This is the name of the parameter, and when you type the name of the parameter in the brackets, it will substitute it with an exact value. Now we can edit it. For example, I just want to remove it, and I will type something like hello, like this. Just show you how it's working. Save, open it, and you can see my string appeared here. I can actually do something like double displaying of my conditions. I don't think if you would ever need such feature, but just to show you how it's working. So see, it's like doubled everything. But I don't need such information. I just need to have conditions once, so it should work like this. And the same approach was applied for each of the template, actually. For example, let me show you how I changed the condition field equal here. So the default display name was display name of the template, then value, parameter name, then value, actual value, and the same for the field. And I replaced it with just this condition because it's like obvious. You just need to type the symbol and the game designer will be able to understand what is it required from him here. I have such condition here. And one more feature we are going to implement very soon. As you know, if you're going to change any data, you just need to go inside and make the changes you want to. This is not very convenient all the time because sometimes if your data is super complex and deep, you don't want to go so deep inside to make a small change. We're going to introduce a new system which will allow you to make changes right here. So you don't need to go into a specific record to change it. You you can make the change in the root. That will be super awesome and super convenient. There are a lot of work which required to be done to make it fully functional with the current solution, but once we do that, that will be awesome. Stay tuned.